This video narrates importance and uses of safety vests segregated by colors and specific area of work. Safety vests are one of the essential apparel for workers, especially those working in low light or hazardous conditions. These are designed with highly visible colors that reflect light, making the wearer easily recognizable to their colleagues and everyone in their surroundings. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, has specific requirements for safety vests under their Personal Protective Equipment (PPE) standards. OSHA requires workers to wear the ANSI-approved vest. Yellow safety vests are commonly used in recreational activities, such as biking or hiking. Additionally, safety yellow is popular in other industries, such as parking attendants, crossing guards, emergency services, and more. The road construction industry is a big fan of safety orange. You notice a lot of orange vests amongst highway and roadway crews. Additionally, orange safety vests are commonly worn by surveyors and airport personnel. They are designed to provide maximum visibility and contrast with workers' surroundings, even in low light or foggy conditions. Orange safety vests are also commonly used by hunters and other outdoor enthusiasts. Wearing an orange vest can help prevent accidental shootings by making the wearer more visible to others in the area. Red safety vests are commonly worn by firefighters, emergency medical technicians, and other emergency responders. The bright red color of the vest can be easily recognized, even in smoke or other hazardous conditions, which helps workers and visitors identify the person responsible for ensuring their safety. Green safety vests are popular in situations where different groups of people need to be easily and quickly identified. Green safety vests are sometimes used by safety personnel, such as first aid providers, safety officers, and security guards. In a large-scale emergency response situation, specific response teams will wear a green vest, while others wear blue, and so forth. In addition to their use in the workplace, green safety vests are also commonly used in outdoor activities, such as hiking. Wearing a green vest can indicate that a person is an outdoors guide, park ranger, or other types of outdoor safety personnel. Blue safety vests are sometimes worn by beach lifeguards and pool attendants and generally indicate an official position near water. The bright blue color of the vest can be easily recognized, even from a distance, which helps workers and visitors identify the person responsible for ensuring their safety. Blue safety vests are also sometimes used in auxiliary positions in industries such as aerospace or aviation. The bright blue color of the vest can be used to indicate workers who are working with or near non-moving aircraft. Technology Education and Mentoring Center has uploaded number of short videos and lectures related to safety requirements and protocols to be followed at workplaces as mandated by OSHA. Audience are encouraged to view those as well to gain knowledge and avoid workplace accidents.